Friends, assalamu alaikum. Did you know that a plant is referred to as nature's magic medicine? And if you use it correctly for just 7 days, you'll find that your face can sparkle. Strong hair can be yours. Constipation and gas can be reduced. Skin rashes and itching can be treated. Yes, I'm referring to aloe vera. However, improper use can also be detrimental, so watch the video all the way through. Se te ha for the channel, las 0:20, las 0:30. If you enjoy natural treatments, health advice, and herbal remedies, press the bell icon to immediately subscribe to the channel to make sure you don't miss any helpful videos. What exactly is aloe vera? La 0:30, la 1:10. Aloe vera, my friends, is a plant with a gel inside. This cream, vitamins A, C, and E are abundant in it. Minerals like zinc and magnesium are in it, and it works great both inside and outside the body. Because of this, it is a popular treatment for all three: stomach, hair, and skin. Part 1. The many advantages of aloe vera, 1:10 to 4 o'clock 1. A radiant face with imperfections. If on the head, acne, pimples, blackheads, dark areas, the skin is then cooled and helped to heal by aloe vera gel. Use. Aloe vera gel can be applied at night, washed off after 20 minutes, or applied lightly while sleeping to prevent hair loss and dryness. Gel of aloe vera bolsters hair roots. Dandruff dries out hair use. Coconut oil and gel from aloe vera. Wash off after applying twice a week for 30 minutes. 3. Instantaneous relief from allergies, itching, and burns. If burning of hands, irritated skin, itching, the best natural cooling gel is aloe vera for helps with stomach pain, gas, and constipation. How to use aloe vera correctly. Minimizes stomach heat, alleviates constipation, enhances digestion. However, there is one crucial point. Aloe vera cannot be consumed by everyone. Additionally, I will inform you of the forthcoming safety measures. The best uses of aloe vera. Part 2, from 4 o'clock to 7:30. A glow and whitening mask for the face. Ingredients: 1 TBSP, gel of aloe vera 12 cup, honey method for 15 minutes. Apply to the face 3 times a week. Do this. The end result is a face that is soft and clean. Be a treatment for acne and pimples. Ingredients: 1 TSP, gel of aloe vera, liter, turmeric method. Only use on pimples. After 15 minutes, wash. Result: less pimples and dry skin. See a growth pack for hair. Ingredients: 2 TBSP, gel of aloe vera, 1 tablespoon olive or castor oil method. Use on the hair's roots. After 45 minutes, shampoo. D. Drinking aloe vera juice, but only in the right way. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon pure gel of aloe vera, 1 mug of water, lemon juice in small amounts. Optional method: every 2 weeks. 3 days from better after breakfast, then in the morning on an empty stomach. Part 3. Aloe vera's drawbacks and caution. Las 7:30, las 8:40. Friends, the benefit only exists when utilized appropriately. Aloe vera should not be consumed by everyone, especially women with children, women who... A plant that has been used for centuries to treat wounds, dries out the skin, revitalizes hair, and even quietly alleviates stomach issues. Friends, this cream is not expensive, not a substance, but aloe vera, a natural treat. However, the query is aloe vera being used appropriately, or do we just keep making the same mistakes when we listen to it? The truth will be revealed to us step by step in today's video. Asato setea, la 0:40, la 1. If you want to naturally improve your health, skin, and hair, then sign up for the channel, because we are discussing nature without alteration here. Aloe vera es identity, la 1, las 2. The plant aloe vera is green, whose thick and juicy leaves, a transparent gel, resides within these leaves, which is, in fact, this plant's true strength. Vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants abound in this gel. Because of this, people trust it. By Hakim is a dermatologist, hair expert, and herbalist. All skin and aloe vera. From 2 o'clock to 4:30, friends, our skin confronts sunlight, pollution, and dust throughout the day. Because of this, the face seems lifeless, acne bumps appear, the skin is itchy. Gel of aloe vera not only reduces the surface, but also repairs it internally. Aloe vera gel applied to the face, it gradually absorbs through the skin and aids in the removal of dead cells and make fresh skin. Because of this, with frequent use, the front becomes soft, clean, and naturally glowing. Hair en aloe vera, las 4:30, las 6:30. If you have hair is losing strength, it's rapidly separating, is scaly and dry, then the issue is frequently at its core. Gel of aloe vera nourishes the roots of the hair, enhances circulation of blood, and maintains a clean scalp. Because of this, when oil is combined with aloe vera and put in on the hair gains strength and reduces hair loss over time. It is not a miracle. It's the result of using it constantly. Aloe vera and wounds and burns, 6:30 to 7:30, friends. Whether it's just a small burn or sunspots, apply aloe vera right away. Dries out the skin and lessened pain because of this. Burn creams often contain aloe vera. The digestive system and aloe vera. Las 7:30, las 9:30. Let's talk now. Concerning the stomach, some assert that juice made from aloe vera cures everything. However, the truth is that aloe vera can have two positive effects and harmful when used.